Are you struggling to extract the final ProGuard rules file for your project? It can be a real headache, especially when you can't find what you need. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I totally get it. Searching through your project directory and coming up empty can be incredibly frustrating. You're not alone in this. Many developers face the same challenge when trying to manage their ProGuard rules. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I extract the final ProGuard rules file with all the rules for my project? I tried grepping through the project directory, but I had no luck. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's going on here? ProGuard is a powerful tool for optimizing and obfuscating your code, but extracting the final rules can be tricky. Understanding how ProGuard generates these rules is key to finding them. And stick around, I have a valuable tip at the end that will make managing your ProGuard rules a breeze. To extract the final ProGuard rules file, the user should first locate the build output directory. This is typically found in the app modules build folder. Next, the user needs to open the mapping.txt file. This file contains the mapping of the obfuscated names to the original names, which is essential for understanding the ProGuard rules. After that, the user should look for the ProGuard rules in the generated ProGuard rules file. This file is usually located in the same build output directory. Finally, the user can combine the information from the mapping.txt and ProGuard rules.pro files to create a comprehensive final ProGuard rules file for their project. Fun fact, did you know that ProGuard was originally developed to help reduce the size of Java applications? Now it's a staple in Android development for code optimization. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that after building your project with ProGuard, you can find the final ProGuard rules in a specific file. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly review and update your ProGuard rules as your project evolves. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You should now be able to extract your final ProGuard rules file with ease. Remember, keeping your rules updated is crucial for smooth development. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.